Hello and welcome to the University of Calgary Web Services training video about the Drupal 8 user interface and administration menu. This is the menu that anybody above an authenticated user will have access to, and it will allow you to perform actions within a site such as page creation and menu management. Keep in mind that this video was recorded while logged in as an administrator, and as such the menu may have more or less access depending on your role and permissions within a site. Along with this video, it is recommended to look at the accompanying documentation for the Drupal 8 environment, the link for which will be available in the video's description. The Web Services team is also available to provide assistance and additional information at ucalgary.service-now.com/IT. Also, if you're new to the environment, we do have a quick start playlist to help you get up and running within the Drupal 8 environment, the link for which will also be found in the video's description. To log into a site, simply add /user to the end of the URL while at root. For anybody who's not aware, at root is essentially the home page or the starting URL for your site. For example, because I'm on the page 1, I'll need to remove this and add /user to the end to be able to log in. Once the login page, most users will log in using the single sign-on system. Click the link just above the login button and a window will appear asking you for your CAS or Central Authentication System information. You'll log in using your University of Calgary IT account credentials, which are the exact same as you would have used in the old environments. Inside the Drupal 8 environment, we typically have 3 menus that are available to users right away. These are the administration menu at the top, the site's navigation menu, which is where all the pages are stored, and the page editing menu, the last of which will only be available to you if you have the editing permissions on that page. Starting from the top with the administration menu, you now have the ability to collapse and re-expand by using the Manage button at the top left of the page. Next, you can customize your page shortcuts with the Shortcuts menu option, provided you have access. And lastly, you can see your user account that you're currently logged in as. Starting from the left down below, we have the Drupal 8 icon, which can be used for all administration tasks that you have access to, as well as being able to log out of the site. Next, you have the Content tab, which is where you're going to be handling all of your pages and your page creation. And beside that, you have your Structure tab. This is where you're typically going to be editing your menus, provided that you also have access to this as well. And lastly, we have the Help tab. Keep in mind that if any of these options are needed for any of the future videos, we will be covering them within those videos as well. Thank you for watching the video. Once again, any of the links mentioned within the video can be found in the description. And if you have any questions, need to clarify any of the topics discussed in the video, or would like to provide feedback on the video, please submit a ticket to the Web Services team at ucalgary.service-now.com/IT.